Hi, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to be talking about how to make a USB override. So USB override is a tool that we can use as another way to essentially lock the device down so that there's minimal exploration of the settings and of the nitty gritty behind all the workings of the vocabulary. So sometimes we don't want our students exploring that without supervision. And so we just need them to only have the ability to turn on the device and be able to adjust the volume and everything. And so that's what this USB override is going to do. So if you have a device, you can do it off of a device, or if you have the new Voice Pass software downloaded on to your system, your PC computer, you can use that as well. So that is what I have here is I just have the new Voice Pass software downloaded onto my PC computer. It looks exactly like an Accent device. And so I'm going to show you from there how to do it. So up here in the right-hand corner, if you're on a device or the software, it's going to look the same no matter what. It's going to be a little toolbar button. So you're going to hit that gear. We're going to go to the yellow toolbar button over here with the toolbox. Then we're going to go to this yellow button that says maintenance menu. And then we're going to go to toolbox restrictions because that's what we're wanting to do. We're wanting to restrict access. And you can see here that I can turn this on. I'm going to have some toolbox restrictions and I want it to be USB. You could do a password and then you can really pick and choose what you have open and whatnot. But for some of my kids, I really just need them to only have volume and turning it on and off. So I choose to use the USB with them. Other ones, I may just choose to have a password. Or if you have a student who's going to be able to crack your password, USB is another nice option because they have to have a USB that has the override code on it. Otherwise, they can't do anything. They are completely locked out. So I'm going to make sure I'm on USB, and then this is going to pop up if you weren't already on it, and it says create USB lock override. I'm going to click that button, and it will tell you to insert a USB. So just insert a USB into going to tell you that it was successfully created on whatever the title of your USB that you put in there. You're going to click OK. And then what I'm going to do then is just hit OK. And it tells me right then that this is a precaution that if you leave your tools menu in this locked form, you have to have the USB before you can exit. And it's just going to remind you that you need to create that. Okay. So we've already done that. So we do not need to create a new one. And then you're just going to continue to hit OK until you get out of here. I'm not going to go all the way out quite yet. I just want to show you that this toolbar over here, it was blue before because I could have hit it. If I try to hit it anytime now, it is going to be in the gray because it is grayed out because I have to have a USB. All right, so yes, so now I'm all the way out, click, I can't do anything. I click help, I can't do anything. The only thing I have access to on my device, if I had a device, would be to be able to turn it on and off, and then volume. But say I want to add some words or do something to my device, I can just plug in that USB and it should have turned blue, but sometimes it won't turn blue. It may just stay that color. But once I click on it, you will see that I had access to it now. And so I can go in here and do anything I need to do. With Vocab Builder or with Toolbox, I have an unlimited access. So that is how you create a USB override. Thank you so much for watching today's video.